Hi Aquarius, it's Missy Tarot here, and I'm going to be doing another intuitive message for you, including tarot at the end. Whoa, Coraline Aquarius. It's Coraline, not Caroline at all. So, intuitive message I got for you is Coraline's point of view, her POV. So, has anybody here watched Coraline? Not Caroline. Coraline. I feel like you're like Coraline and you're just correcting people, but let's talk about Coraline's point of view, okay? Her point of view, alright? Let me refer to this letter here. So, Coraline is running from reality, living in another realm, right? We all know this. She finds the beauty of herself and others, alright? She understands not being trapped and manifesting the beautiful illusion that was shown to her in the dark. Realizing that no one and nothing in the reality realm on earth that can take away her abilities, or, you know, if you're a guy watching this, his abilities, right? Let's not be stuck in that gender perspective here, right? POV. So in her character, she's saying that, you know, it's all about the point of view, right? And so what I'm saying here is that you are the master of your own abilities. You are the master of the sky. And sometimes when you are the master of the other realms in many ways that are shown to you, downloads and whatnot, you're able to see and not get stuck in that illusion or in the other realms, of course, and being able to manifest the reality that she was fond of and attracted to, and manifest that into her own reality, right? It's all about taking the light and dark and corresponding it to Coraline. Alright, Aquarius, let me step into your energy field here. Meditating, getting strong. Alright? And let's just say Coraline, she grounded herself once she realized this. So, knowing how to ground yourself while adventuring in the other realms, I'm getting kitty cat. You want to be like the kitty cat? What, you got Leo in your chart? Meow, meow. Oh, independence. Aquarius, you're all about that. Very special connection with cats. The peacemaker. Alright, you need to focusing on your north node here, Aquarius, and I'm hearing your fate. No pressure, of course, but pressure. Maybe needing some structure, pressure. We got Capricorn, Saturn energy here. Putting it down. We got 10 of coins here. Yep, 10th house. Something about your 10th house. 10. 4 for 4 on the clock. Stability, discipline, loyalty. Loyalty, Coraline. She wasn't very loyal before until she realized a few things here. So 7 of Cups and King of Swords. Seven of Cups. As I said, venturing into the other realms could be scrying when you look into a mirror or crystal ball or water and see visions here. Now what do you see? And this King of Swords is asking her that. What do you see? What is the truth? And the King of Swords is kind of snapping at her, like, when you snap back into reality, we have the world here. Saturn snap back into the earth field here. Right. Stepping up to the plate, bada swing, y'all. We back. Hey, how are you? So yeah, I feel like you're switching realms. You're just jumping, jump. You're like a bubble girl, bubble dude. You're here, there, and everywhere. You are the sky god, goddess, okay? Here, there, everywhere. Bring those gifts down to earth to us. We come in peace. Alright, so the moon here. You're understanding your power and how to control it, because you're like a little Superman, super lady, just pew, pew, pew. So you're understanding your gifts here. And you see this wolf here, Aquarius. Usually there's 2 here, right, with the moon and some of the tarot cards, but you see how she put a leash on this one? And I'm going back to, there's a concept where there's 2 wolves in you, and one of them you feed. And I feel like one of the wolves in you, you turned it into a pet. I'm getting Leo energy here, interesting enough. I feel like you've mastered how to take care of your wolves. Maybe needing more confidence in your freedom here. Freedom. Don't think too much about it. Don't think too much about it. No isolation trap. You don't need to trap yourself. You don't need to put yourself on a leash. If you put yourself on a leash, you'll just be floating and you won't be home. So make sure that you let your imagination fly, you know, actually step into those realms so you actually feel complete when you're on Earth. And that's all we ever really want as Aquariuses, right? 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles is all about the fear in the 3D, like poverty, fear of not having enough, fear of just fear in general. And that pressure, like, you know, can really put a leash on Aquariuses, the worry, the fear. And as Aquariuses, we come to realize while following our North Node that those thoughts in our head actually can manifest. So this is something that You know, you got to be easy with yourself, and bring yourself, keep yourself elevated while being on earth. Oh, yeah, the Lovers. Loving yourself here, rejuvenating, loving yourself, expressing yourself, the orange sacral, expressing yourself, expressing your self-love and love in general, outwards. And like I said, you know, accept people if they call you Caroline. That's all I have to say for you, and I love you, Aquarius. Bye.